SMX and SYM were trending a couple of hours ago. So SMX gained 194.42% in the regular session of yesterday, the 26th, and in the post-market session of that of the same day, it added yet more gains. It added what did it add now? Added an extra I think 150%. That should be that 150%. Yeah, and I added an extra 150%. Yeah. Okay, so let's see now what we have in terms of volumes. Let's see, intraday high took it to $35.68. Let's see what we have. Yeah, 22 point. The average volume is not like 903,000. Look at that, 22.826 million. So it is a climatic event. It might pull back. Volatility very high, very very high. Look at that, 482%, 484%. It's not optionable. Okay, so let's see what we have. This is the 4 hour chart where the it recorded more gains afterwards. Okay, so higher prices are expected to remain in place up to Friday, the close of Friday's trading session, and there might be some retracement. There might be some contraction, and then after that, the expansion is expected to resume. Momentum is expected to dissipate. Okay. Well, it doesn't always mean that a dissipation of momentum means that the stock is going to pull back, but the algos are not extrapolating any contraction, not extrapolating any pullback to previous levels. Okay. So as a matter of fact, in the short term, the stock has been in a bullish trend. I would say it's in the short term, in the last couple of days, it's been strongly bullish. If you add what happened yesterday, yeah, you can probably say it's been strongly bullish in a very very short term. Projections are saying 9.9. It's to the downside. I mean, we have seen this. This is the intra. I mean, this is a target. It's at 5.68. It pulled back from that. What we can do is just quickly glance at its 1 minute chart to see what the algos calculated when it showed that sort of strength. Let's see what we have here. 19.52. Let's see. 32.23, 34.35, 35.66. What do we have again? Yeah, 35.6. We have it. We have 35.66 here. The algo on this 1 minute chart thinks it can do. No, yeah, they were thinking it was going to do so again. Let's see, 26.71. Yeah, I was expecting to see. Oh, yeah, look at that, 60.21, 55.38, 47.58. Okay. Another thing we could also do to see if SMX is a tiny float. Let's see what we have in terms of because I mean sometimes this has to be as a result of a tiny float mixing with some positive news. Yeah, let's see what we have. Float is what? Yeah, float is not up to a million. Look at that, 830,000. So it is surely a case of a tiny float. Let's see what we have here. What the folks at Finviz are saying about what's going on. So DMCC endorsement of SMX's molecular verification technology for precious metals ignited the 40. Okay, that was way it was way more than 44%. Okay, the DMCC precious metals conference that took place on Tuesday. The company unveiled its chemical tagging system, embedding verifiable signatures into gold and other materials to combat fraud, ensure traceability, and comply with global regulations like digital product passports. The demonstration extended to applications in rubber, textiles, rare earths, electronics, plastics, positioning the tech as a foundational shift from trust-based to proof-based supply chains. Dubai's DMCC, a major trade hub, explicitly backed the initiative, signaling potential partnerships and market adoption. Traders reacted positively during regular hours on yesterday, with volume spiking as the press release highlighted implications for premium trading and low carbon transitions, amplifying investor optimism in the sector. Yeah, yeah, that's some positive there. Some real good positive there. SYM up gained 12.99%. Let's see what we have in the regular session of yesterday. Okay, SYM. Okay, yeah, more than double the average volume printed. Yeah, more than double. Yeah, and it's trading at a premium to its volume weighted average price. Okay, volatility is expected to cool off somewhat. Okay, let's see now SMX. XMX is let's get the average how it's yeah, you can see. Okay, I thought that yeah, for SMX the average the volume weighted average price is 11.749, and the stock is at 26, so it is traded at a premium to that. SYM, let's see what we have. This is a 1 minute chart. We need to go down to the 4 hour chart. Okay, let's begin with the daily chart for SYM, Symbotic. Okay, let's see what we have for Symbotic. Underlying trend strongly bullish. Okay, we covered the stock on Tuesday, the 25th. So the expansion began on Wednesday, the 19th, and went into high gear from Monday the 24th, and it's just three straight session of gains for SYM, and the Argos are saying they might still remain strong up till Tuesday the 2nd of December. Then after that, it might begin to consolidate in a volatile manner, and the 40-day moving average is expected to catch any attempt to decline. Okay. Let's see, 54.75 is is an upper projection. Let's see. Momentum is expected to remain sustained at least up to the 8th of December, when the 10-day moving averages may have caught up with with the price. I mean, by then, the stock is expected, while it's trying to consolidate, it might drop below that moving average, but it's just a consolidation, a volatile one. It's expected to be a volatile one, but with a bullish bias. Okay, let's see what we have on its 4 hour chart. On its 4 hour chart, okay, here we have a contraction is expected to play out going all the way towards Monday, the 8th of December, but also in a volatile manner as well. Okay, projections are saying 59.83. It's a downward projection. Let's see. Okay, intraday high 87.88. So we could just have a look at its 1 minute chart again. So we'll see what the algos projected there. Yeah, let's see what we have here. 86.73, 86.44, 86.25, 87.65, 87.86, it's $8. We want to see something beyond something higher than 87.88. It just got validated. It's 7.88. It's 8.22. Let's see. It's 9.12. Let's see. All of this, all the same, just repeating the same values. Those values just been reiterated. 89.04. 89.04. Okay, let's look at the 2 minute chart to see if we can find anything ambitious there. 87.23. It's $8. 89.12. to 9.11. Okay, it's 9.93. Yeah, let's see, a 3 minute chart. It's 9.34. Okay, we're just gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it and continue with what happened to SYM. Let's see now. Yeah, Symbotic. It was trending at some point on high volume as uh, people were discussing its potential for a short squeeze and long-term growth in warehouse automation, particularly highlighting its relationship with Walmart. Bullish sentiment appears to be fueled by rising revenue and substantial order backlog, with some comparing it to an industrial NVDA moment. Comparisons to similar tickers are being made, with many pointing towards an upward rally. And they got a couple of upgrades from Craig-Hallum. Yeah, a couple of upgrades from Craig-Hallum, yeah, and Baird as well. Okay, so yeah, that's what's going on with the stock. It was trending at some point. It has been trending, yeah, as I indicated, since Tuesday. Since Tuesday, the 25th, it's been printing higher prices. Yeah. Okay, have a look and see what you make of the stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.